Linking your bank account to Snapchat allows you to use features like Snap Cash for sending and receiving money. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the Get icon in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. Step 4. Find Payment Options. Scroll down to the My Account section and look for Payments or Snap Cash. Tap on it to proceed to the payment settings. Step 5. Link your bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. You may need to provide details such as your account number and routing number. Once entered, confirm the information and save your settings. Now you are ready to use your bank account with Snapchat for transactions. Enjoy the convenience of sending and receiving money directly through the app.